Okay, listen, pay attention. Wole Soyinka, a noble novelist, whom we all respected in Nigeria, one of our own, a noble novelist. The man who wrote The Man Died. Recently, we do no longer understand its exhibition of bigotry and manalism. Wole Soyinka, the African proverb said, when you respect a king so much that you do not know how to talk to him anymore, you cover your face with a basket and talk to him. Wole Soyinka, I cover my face and I tell you the truth. Your recent behavior and speech towards politics, we, the youths of Africa, do no longer understand you. It is you who wrote in your book, The Man Died. And we are beginning to suspect if actually the man really died, because we do not understand you anymore. You are gradually putting a sword on the very first thing that forged your greatness. Should we fold our arms, close our eyes and act